Morning, guys. We got Giancarlo here. Big morning. His first outing this year. He's come a bunch last year.
I'm nervous.
He's nervous, but we got high winds, 15k from the north. We got a little bit of snow. Saw a couple longtails flying in, so hopefully we can get a couple of those. He's using the bismuth number 4s. GC forgot his gun, so he's using mine. What do you got there?
Nice Beretta semi. It's gonna be good today.
He's excited. I think we're gonna get a bunch. Right here. Ready? Shoot him. Fuck. Ready? Shoot him. Shoot him. Got him. Oh, here's one. Here's the right side. Ready? Ready? Wait.
Yep.
Wait for him to come in. This one in the middle here. Shoot that one in the middle. Wait for him to come in. This one in the middle here. Shoot that one in the middle. Here's one. Here's the right side. Ready? Ready? Wait.
Yep.
Oh, right side. It's coming in. Ready?
Yep.
Shoot him.
Nice.
Nice shot, buddy. I think we double tapped him there. Oh, right side. It's coming in. Ready?
Yep.
Shoot him.
Nice.
GC, you're gonna shoot these. Ready? Wait till they come in. Ready? Fuck. This one right here. Shoot him.
Got him.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
That was the best.
Nice shot, buddy. This one right here. Shoot him. Nice shot. Oh, longtail. That was a longtail. See that?
Yeah, I pushed him right.
Holy shit.
That's a mess.
Dude, that was a longtail. Alright, so it's like 8-ish. We got, I think, 4 down. Just trying to find the other one. But pretty good action. They've all been flying in on my right side here, which has been kind of difficult to shoot because I'm a righty shooter. If I was a lefty shooter like Mitch, it'd be perfect. But anyways, it's been pretty decent. Giancarlo's having...
In the Mississippi River, she's a gold dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you're only getting mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, my woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.